Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with every interaction on your Instagram posts, turning on comment likes notifications is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable these notifications, so you never miss when someone likes your comment on Instagram. This guide is fully updated for 2025, and you don't need any third-party apps, just your phone and a few taps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's main settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications, not just for Instagram, but for everything on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a list of every app installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list. If you have a lot of apps, you might want to use the search bar at the top to make it quicker. Once you've found and tapped on Instagram, you'll see a menu with several options. Here, you want to tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now, look for notification categories. This option lets you fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all possible notification types. Scroll down until you find Comment Likes. This is the specific notification that alerts you whenever someone likes one of your comments on Instagram. If the toggle next to Comment Likes is off, simply tap it to turn it on. That's it. You've now enabled Comment Likes notifications for Instagram. From now on, you'll get notified every time someone appreciates your comment with a like. This is a great way to stay engaged with your followers and keep track of your interactions. If you ever want to turn off these notifications, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.